are straight raw dog in this one. No cuts, no edits, and it's going to be very quick. I'm going to be teaching you the swing trading strategy I use to get funded. And this is a very good strategy if you don't have time, if you don't have, if you're working, you can't be at the market every day. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna show you this very simple strategy. You just need two to three things that I'm going to be going over, and I'm going to be showing you two trade examples with this strategy. Okay, so I'm going to just get right into it. The three things you need are: one, clear market structure. You need clear market structure on the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame. These are the best time frames to use, and yeah, you just need to be trading with the market structure. If you look at a chart and you can't tell what market structure it's in, and then there's no trades to be taken. So let's say you're looking at all these Forex pairs or whatever you trade indices. You look through, if you can't identify instantly a clear trend, clear structure, then there's no trades, okay? So once you have that, the second thing you need is a support and resistance level. You just need a clear support and resistance level where there has been big pivot points in the market, clear big pivot points that the market either bounced or sold off from, and then you mark it out, okay? And the third thing is, was there three things, or was it, we'll just say two things. You just need clear market structure, support and resistance level, and that's it, okay? I'm going to show you a couple examples, two examples. These were trades that I took. Okay, let's get into it. USD CAD. I took this trade. I posted it on my Twitter. It's on my Twitter. I took it. Go look at my Twitter. It's the same name as my YouTube. So just type that in on Twitter. You'll see this trade on there. Okay. So I'm going to rewind this to when I took the trade. So looking at this, we're in a bullish market structure. We were kind of consolidating. We came down. Then we had this giant run up. We came down, little pullback into this demand area, support area. And then we started pushing up back towards this high. So at the time I see this right here, I'm thinking, okay, we're bullish. Boom, lower high, pushing up. It's likely that we come up here or keep moving up. And yeah, so that's the one thing I have, bullish market structure. You can look at this and say it's bullish. I don't think anyone's looking at this and saying it's bearish, you know? To me, that is clearly bullish. We had a big bullish shift, break of structure, a pullback that did not take out this low, and then we start pushing back up. Okay, around that same time I noticed that, we had this beautiful, beautiful support area right here. Okay, beautiful support. Why? Big pivot point, big pivot point, big pivot point. We got below it, reject off of it to the downside. Again, slight rejection. Now we're back above it. We could expect it to hold as support. So once you have that, remember I said three things? The third thing that you need to know, or that you need to look out for, you just need to make sure you have a clear area where, you know, the trade would be invalidated, right? Let's say we didn't reject here and we just blew straight through it. We wouldn't have any area to like use as an invalidation point. But right here, we have this low, which we can use as an invalidation point because we're expecting price to bounce here. Sometimes price comes a little bit lower, like this, still ends up bouncing. But we could assume that if price comes all the way down to this low, then we're obviously not bouncing at this support zone and the trade is invalidated. So you just need something like that, right? Let's say it's just looks like this, and then we come to retest and say our support level was right here, right? We don't really have anywhere to invalidate it. All right, so this works out fine. We have this swing low right here where we know if price gets down to this swing low, you know, the trade's not working out. Okay, so from there on, you just place a limit order. Like I said, you don't need any, this is easy. You could do this if you have a full-time job. You know, it doesn't take time. You could do your analysis every night or every morning and then just set limit orders. and you would put your stop at the invalidation zone. I put my stop down here, and looking at the 1 hour time frame, I actually didn't. Okay, well, there you go. You saw what happened. This was on news, but doesn't matter if there's news or anything. I think news follows the technicals. So if price was going to bounce here anyways, the news just made it go faster. Right? Very, very simple. I'm making this very fast just so you could see the simplicity. This literally is all I do in the Forex market. That's it. You could hold all the way up to here if you want. I don't think it got all the way up to there, but I didn't hold all the way up to there. I just held to this most recent low, or the most recent high, the one that we already took out. We blew through that. Oh no, I did hold for a 2-to-1. Oh, I held for a little under a 2-to-1. So maybe I did. Oh yeah, I probably just held right up into there. It's on my Twitter. Go look at the trade. Or if you don't want to, I mean, you could just see that this works. Okay. What do we have? A clear bullish market structure, right? Break a little here, go bearish, but then we go boom, 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 and now we're bullish again with the shift. Daily time frame was always looking bullish. Weekly time frame was always looking bullish. Okay. Place your limit order. You need an invalidation point. Boom. And then that's it. Okay. Short, sweet. I'm gonna show you the other example from this past week. It was on NZD CAD. It was pretty much the same trade, honestly. The CAD CAD, like the XXX CADs, they all moved up at the same time here. Where is it? NZD CAD. Where the fuck did it go? Okay, she's down here. Okay. Let me delete this. Okay, looking at NZD CAD, same thing. You can see we are very bullish. We were bearish, then we had a big push up, didn't take out this low, formed a little trend line, started bouncing at the trend line, higher low, higher low. Oh wow, this is like around this. Oh no, that was, I already made a video on this trade. Around this area, somewhere around this area. Where was it? Right here? I don't know. Anyways, we could identify we're in a clear bearish, clear bullish trend. And then there's our resistance. Boom, boom, boom. Big pivot points. We get above it. You place your limit order. This is a very good invalidation because, right, if price is gonna hold at this support, if it gets all the way down to this low, you know, then it didn't hold support, so the trade's invalidated. It could come down a little bit, then bounce. Okay. But you have your invalidation level, swing low, and you have your trend, and then you have your level. And you set your limit order anywhere around, like, however you know, maybe right there, maybe a little lower. And then you simply just wait. Nothing else. There's literally nothing else. And as we can see, we got two separate. You know, maybe you would have gotten filled there. I didn't get filled there. That's why I went on to, you know, I didn't get filled. So I left my order. And a couple days later, or like the next day and a half, we come down, get the order filled, and then we rock it up. Now, I'm going to be ending the video here as there is literally nothing else to say. I've found the most success in my trading the more I dumbed it down. The more dumbed down and simple I made it, the better results I got. So there's literally nothing else to say. You look at a pair or an index or commodity, anything, clear trend, daily, like I said, daily 4 hour works best. They're just the higher time frames hold higher value. So I identified this like somewhere around here. I was like, oh, that looks very bullish. And we could already see these key pivot points. Set limit orders. Could have caught in probably 2 trades. If you got filled there, could have caught that. Or take another one or whatever. But yeah, guys, very simple. Very simple. You know, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'm going to be making a lot of futures trading, futures day trading videos coming up soon. So yeah, tune in and subscribe, follow, and thanks. Fuck. How do I stop this?